Hello everyone, thank you all for joining. My name is Jermaine Please of webhostingthrone.com. You can Google me at webhostingthrone. Today I'm going to be talking about how to install a WordPress theme. All you have to do is log in, go to your dashboard, alright, and go to the far column, the far column on the left. Once you do that, scroll down all the way down to Appearance, where it says Appearance. After you go to Appearance, go to Themes. Press Themes, and then you have several options. You have well, what you do is I have 6 particular themes that I've already installed on my dashboard, and I have this one active right now. Right, what you see where it says 2012, that particular one is active right now that I'm using. Okay, so what you do is you scroll down until it says add new theme. Click on add new theme. Once you click on add new theme, you have several options. You have featured, you have popular, latest, favorite, or premium. Featured is the ones that have been featured on the front. Popular is the ones that are being used the most. Okay, and latest is the ones that have been submitted, have just been submitted. And by theme publishers, or computer programming publishers, those who have that computer knowledge and how to create things, or companies that have created that have their business around creating things. They'll submit these free ones to people like you and me to use and test out. Okay, favorite is the ones that are being favorited by users. Premium is the premium. Let's see, it's going to pop up right here. Whereas where you can purchase a theme that has special features to them. They're $59. You can see the ratings from people who purchased them. Like, you know, this is a big market for WordPress publishers, those who publish themes. If you find one that you do like and you like the features on it, go ahead and you can purchase it. You can look at it by pressing demo and looking at it, and it's taking a look at it and see if you like it or not. Okay, so let me see. And the other neat feature they have is the feature filter. If you press feature filter, you can filter out the way you want your blog to look, or the type of blog you want. If you want an e-commerce website with let's say custom logo and 4 columns, what it does, the system will filter out and differentiate those particular that particular choice that you made from others that don't apply. So let's say apply filters, and let's see which ones that we have that will be the closest. As you can see, it's showing you the closest match that you have chosen, the ones that the type of filter, the type of website that you closely may be interested in activating and using for your website. Okay, anyhow, after you have found the website that you wanted to use, say for instance you see where it says, I'm just using a regular one, say preview. I want to preview this one right here where it says Awesome Press. Preview it first before you install it, so you can get a feel, an idea of what to expect when you install this particular theme to your website. And you can look at it, look at the functionality, look at what the type of content, where the content will be displayed. Of course, you can edit it through your customization bar right here. But this is what you will see if you install and activate that particular theme. So for instance, let's say yeah, okay, well, I like the way the theme looks. Let's go back one step and say, okay, I want it. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Just press install, and it'll go ahead into the install process. And then what you do is you press activate. I'm not going to press activate because I'm satisfied with the theme that I have. But once you press activate, it'll activate the theme, and you can be able to use it. And you can press visit website. Once you press visit website, then you have your theme. Of course, just like I said, I didn't press activate because I'm satisfied with what I have. And that's it. That's how you install a theme. For free themes anyways. That is how you install a theme. Again, this is Jermaine. I do suggest you go ahead and start off with a theme, a free theme, and just to look at the market and see what's out there for you for free for right now until you decide to get a premium theme. Okay, thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine of Web Hosting Throne. You can Google me at Web Hosting Throne or find me at webhostingthrone.com. Thank you all for joining me. Join me in the future for new tutorials, and in the future, thank you all. Have a nice day.